This is a 2017 GMC Sierra Denali. It's got the 6.2 liter V8, dark slate metallic paint. You got the 20-inch rims, the chrome running boards, 6-inch wide. It's got mud flaps on it, reverse parking sensors, LED taillights, backup camera, tow package. It has the factory bed liner, so you get the Denali there in the back. Also has the LED lights underneath the rails. Got the HID headlights and fog lights there with the LED daytime running lights. The daytime running lights there flickering in the video, but not in person. It's just a video thing. The big chrome Denali grille. Got the Eagle LS2 tires. Got the cocoa interior accents with the, I think they call this saddle leather, but I'll have that in the comment section exactly what it is. I'll also have pictures of the original window sticker in the photo section. So go on the website, scroll through the photos, and you will find the window sticker for all the options that I do not go over. It does have a sunroof. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors, as well as power folding side mirrors. Push a button, they'll fold in and out. Driver memory seat package here. That's your power fold. Push button child locks, windows and doors. Got your BOSE audio. Trailer brake controller, automatic headlights, 4-wheel drive. All the basics there. Power driver seat, full center console, wood grain accents, got the Denali embroidered in the headrests. Let's see, 28,000 miles. This is a non-smoker. Smells really, really good in here. You got the forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth. Got your backup camera, built-in navigation. This does have Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, as well as your typical Bluetooth. There's your forward collision system. AM, FM, XM radio, dual zone climate control, heated and cooled front seats, power adjustable pedals, lane change alert. There's all your different ports. It does have a wireless charging pad here on the top of the console. And a bunch of storage in here. There's a 12-volt port, 2 USBs, auxiliary. Got your locking glove box with your owner's manual, as well as original window sticker in there. Up top you got your LED map lights, garage door opener, power sliding glass, power sunroof. And then looking at your key, has remote start.